In today's video, I want to show you how to reply TikTok comment with a video. So to reply to a TikTok comment with a video on TikTok, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your TikTok app. So let's open up my TikTok over here now. So guys, once you open up your TikTok, the next thing you can do here is you tap on your profile icon by just tapping on the profile icon by the bottom right corner. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on that, I want you to select the video you want. Just select any video. So let's select this. So you want to go to the comment section. So to actually reply to these are the comments on this video. So to actually reply to any of these comments, what you want to do is this. You want to tap and hold on the comment you want to reply to. So let's tap and hold on this comment. So once you tap and hold on this comment, you just want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you check the bottom here, you're going to see where it says reply with a video. So you just want to tap on that reply with a video, then you can get to post, you can get to take you to a place where you can get to add the video you want to reply with. So guys, this is how to actually reply to a comment on TikTok with a video. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.